Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. A well-known, locally grown restaurant group is seeking an experienced and passionate executive chef to lead and oversee all kitchen operations across its 2 existing branches, as well as an upcoming opening in the UAE. This senior leadership role is designed for a hands-on culinary professional with strong operational expertise, capable of driving consistency, quality, and excellence across multiple high-volume outlets. The ideal candidate will bring in-depth knowledge of Italian and Mediterranean cuisine, proven people leadership skills, and the ability to manage kitchens at scale while consistently maintaining the highest standards of quality, efficiency, and execution. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.